In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle on your slide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to select, and how to place a clean, precise rectangle at the size you want. This is perfect whether you're building a layout, highlighting content, or creating simple graphics in a slide editor. First, look along the top of your editor's toolbar for the shape icon. It's the one that looks like a circle overlapping a square. This icon gathers all the shape tools in one place, so it's your starting point whenever you want to add basic graphics. If your toolbar looks crowded, don't worry. Sometimes the icon appears in a drawing or insert section, but the overlapping shapes are the giveaway. Move your cursor over the shape icon and pause for a moment. A menu will appear with a variety of shape categories. Hover over the shape section and you'll see common options like rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Click the rectangle to create a standard box with sharp corners. If you prefer a softer, friendlier look, choose the rounded rectangle instead. It works the same way, but has curved corners that can make callouts and buttons feel more approachable. Now place your cursor on the slide where you want the rectangle to begin, click, and drag diagonally. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle grow in real time, so you can judge the size and proportions visually. Release the mouse when you're happy with the dimensions. If you're aiming for a perfect square, try holding the Shift key while you drag. That constrains the proportions so all sides match. For super precise placement, you can zoom in before drawing, or start near the corner of the area you want to cover and pull out slowly, watching for alignment guides if your editor shows them. If the size isn't quite right on your first attempt, that's completely normal. You can undo and try again, or simply grab the corner handles to adjust the shape afterward. The important part is that initial click and drag, which sets your basic rectangle in place. That's all there is to it. Open the Shape menu from the icon with the circle overlapping a square, choose the rectangle or rounded rectangle, and draw it directly on your slide. With this simple workflow, you can quickly frame content, build layouts, or add emphasis wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice a couple of times to build muscle memory. Once you've got the hang of it, placing shapes becomes second nature.